If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. Today we're going to be planting some garlic. Just going to take one of the raised beds in which we have. I've already removed the weed barrier, which we will not be utilizing, and I've cut trenches about 3.5–4 inches deep. This is a very simplistic way of doing it. You don't have to have a weed-free bed or really good soil. These will grow quite well. So I've taken the cloves from one of the bulbs from last year, or this past June's harvest, and plucked them apart. You don't have to soak them. You can if you choose to, but you get the largest bulbs, which would contain the largest cloves, which should in turn give you large bulbs again. So you don't want to peel the skin off of your garlic. That will actually hurt the garlic. So you want to leave the skin on just like that. You want to place it, the roots down, where as it would it came off of the bulb, and you're just going to go in here and plant it just like that, teardrop up. And you want to go a foot apart. I go about 8 inches because I know from experience that that extra 4 inches is not going to impede the garlic growth, and I can get a few more plants in a row. So that's how you do it. Now we are using a variety of garlic. We're using hardneck garlic. You can grow softneck garlic in the northern portions of the United States, though it doesn't do as well as we have found with the hardneck. Plus, the hardneck provides you escape about 4 to 6 weeks before it's time to harvest, and that would be seeds if you allow it to get to maturity. So you cut that off, you can have a first harvest on that. We're using a variety of traditional garlic, hardneck varieties of German Hardy, Georgia Crystal, Purple Galaxy, Spanish Roja. You don't want to use store-bought. Some people will say there's no difference. There is a difference in flavor, and you're not knowing where the original source comes from. So if you can buy garlic from a reliable seed supplier, Jung Seeds is somebody who we would recommend, and there's a coupon code on the screen here. Then, if they have any available, I'm not certain if they do at this point, you can get your garlic planted as long as the ground is still diggable. If it's frozen, you can't chisel it in, you can't really do it. Can you plant it in the spring? Yes, but it's not going to do as good because it needs the chill hours. So that is kind of the basics and the simplicity of planting garlic. It's very simple. You cover it up and you're done. You can water it. You don't need to fertilize it. All we're trying to do is get establishment of the garlic roots prior to the freeze. If you have top growth, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of top growth before your freeze, that's fine. That's not going to hurt the garlic at all. So, simplistic planting garlic, very easy. It will go into dormancy when the winter hits, and then start growing in the spring as the soil warms, and then by June or July you'll be able to harvest it. Again, we're planting it in October, harvesting in late June, early July, so there's some real estate taken up, but it's well worth it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird. This has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.